Welcome to our exciting journey through a world of stunning black nail design. In this video, we will explore 5 unique and captivating nail art combinations that incorporate the classic and mysterious black paired with various other vibrant colors. So grab your nail polish and let's get started. Black and blue. Our first design feature and the strike combination of black and vibrant blue. These colors come together to create an elegant, captivating look. Black and dark gray. This is design 2. Moving on to our second design, we delve into the depths of sophistication with black and dark gray. This combination exudes class and mystery. Apply a rich layer of black polish and then introduce dark gray elements for a chic, understated style. Third, black and pink. For our third design, we are embracing a touch of femininity with black and pink. Start by painting your nails black for bold base. Then add vibrant pink accent that beautifully contrasts with the black, giving nails a playful and chic appearance. Black and green sticker. Now let's add some texture to our nails with the black and green sticker design. Begin with the black base coat and then apply green nail sticker to create a unique and eye-catching pattern. This design adds a trendy twist to your nail art repertoire. Black and grey aqua. Lastly, we will explore a mesmerizing blend of black, grey, and aqua. Apply a base of black nail polish and then carefully introduce shades of grey and aqua for a modern and abstract design. This combination provides a fresh, contemporary look. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so never miss our latest nail art.